But let's move on from equities and get you what's happening with the commodities pack as well as some trading ideas from there. So Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, is right here with us. Manisha, hi. It's been a good August for most commodities, whether we talk metals or we talk oil. So how are things looking on the first trading day of September?
Well, quite good really, because we have started on a very positive note. What September is taking away from August is really the statements coming out from Ben Bernanke, who says there are grave concerns with the joblessness, and he's not ruling out a stimulus coming in. And the next Fed meeting really is on 12th and 13th of September. So that is something that the markets will be watching out for, and no short positions is what traders are creating ahead of that. He talked about August, and August is the second straight month when commodities have beaten equities, bonds and the dollar index as well in sense of returns on the higher side. Good gains were coming in from silver, which gained up to nearly 13%. Heating oil is up 12%. There has been very strong performance coming from the energy space as well, where you have seen crude oil prices gain up by nearly 10%, and the gasoline prices were also up nearly 8%. Good gains from cotton as well in the agro space, 8.5% of gains coming in from that one as well. How do you trade the first day of September? For that, let's go across to Naveen Mathur from Angel, and he joins us live on the show. Naveen, hi, welcome. Bernanke, whatever he said, and stopped short of saying, but gold prices have taken very strong views from that one. How would you want to trade this space today?
Yeah, Manisha, good morning. If you see the last couple of weeks, at least last 7 to 10 days, we have seen after the Fed meeting minutes which were released, say a week or 10 days earlier, there was a strong possibility of a QE3, and therefore people were expecting something to come out from the Jackson Hole Symposium where Bernanke would speak about something on the QE3, and he did spoke about and mentioned about the additional stimulus measures which the Fed may take in recent or in say near term. With the sentiments becoming buoyant therefore, and the weakness in dollar, the gold prices remain on the upside, and we feel a slight muted trading activity today. But I think the month of September, which we have started now, has a couple of meetings from the ECB, the Eurozone ministers and all. So it will be a very crucial month for the entire market space, and particularly for commodities therefore. But we would recommend to buy the gold contract on the M6 for the intraday at around 31,200 levels to 31,190 levels. Stop loss for this trade should be put in at around 3140, and we are expecting targets on the upside in the range of 31,410 for the day.
So expectation of record highs in case of gold prices. But Naveen, how do you look at a silver? Because outperformance is from there. Silver has been the leader when it comes to the index there, and 13% of gains in August. Would you want to trade it today?
Manisha, rightly, 13% is a big amount for a month performance, and I think it's been very good month for silver prices. It means what we have seen in January, if I'm not mistaken, sometime in January to March 2011, the silver was on the higher side, and that this particular month also created the 52,000-53,000 levels, which it was trading a month earlier to around 60,000, where it is trading right now. I think still a buy position would be recommended because of the positive sentiments. Base metal pack looks a little bullish. At the same time, the precious metal too, as I said, because of the reasons we had it on the Jackson Hole Symposium and the monetary stimulus coming in. I think silver would be a buy today, and we would recommend to buy the December contract around 60,550 to 60,600 levels. Stop loss for this trade should be put in at around 6250, and targets on the upside in the range of 61,050 to 61,060.
All right, Naveen, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us. So bullish start for the month of September. Buy calls coming in from Angel for gold and silver, both of them there. With that, it's back to you, Avan.
Thanks for that, Manisha. Well, that's how you dabble with the commodities, and you've had a slew of trading ideas coming your way. So do remember, if you want to take positions in any of the stocks that have been recommended, please consult your financial advisor before doing so. Let's take time out and thank our 6 technical experts who joined in on the show. Gentlemen, it's been great having you with us. Look forward to what you dole out tomorrow. Time for a quick break then, but come right back because we'll be taking forth the action with BNS and the stock case.